Today might be the day we're waiting for. Shiba Inu finally went up in price, recovering our losses in the past 24 hours. Analysts are dropping their signals. Shiba Inu might have an insane pump this March. However, there's something you should need to know. Shytoshi Kusama is now being questioned. Are they gone mad? What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Wait, what just happened? Shiba Inu is finally making a move, climbing higher today compared to where it was yesterday. And honestly, this is massive. Just a day ago, the price was all over the place. Up, down, dipping unexpectedly. Every time it looked like it might recover, it dropped again, making investors second-guess everything. The excitement from 2 days ago? Yeah, it was starting to feel like a distant memory. Some people were convinced the rally was fake, just another quick spike before another crash. Fear was in the air. Nobody knew what to expect next, and hesitation was everywhere. But today, it's like the energy in the room completely changed. Shiba Inu is pushing up again, proving it's got more strength than people thought. It's not just a random jump, it's showing resilience. That's a big deal. When a price move is backed by solid momentum, it starts to feel real. And now, that nervous, uncertain mood from yesterday? Gone. It's been replaced by excitement. The fear of another drop? Fading. People who were on the fence about Shiba Inu are starting to see things differently. This shift in attitude is important. Yesterday, everyone was cautious, holding back, unsure if it was time to buy or if another crash was right around the corner. Today, people are starting to believe again. Investors who were doubting are now considering holding on to their positions longer. Some are even jumping in, not wanting to miss out on what could be the start of something bigger. It's crazy how quickly sentiment can flip in the crypto space. Now let's be real. This isn't some gigantic, game-changing pump. It's just a step in the right direction. But even small moves like this matter. They build confidence. They get people talking. They create momentum. And in a market like this, where emotions play a huge role, that's everything. A small push-up today could turn into a bigger run tomorrow. And right now, that's exactly what Shiba Inu holders are hoping for. So, is this just another short-term bounce? Or is it the beginning of something much bigger? That's the big question. But one thing is clear. People are watching, and the excitement is back. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. One analyst broke it all down, explaining what's really happening with Shiba Inu from a technical perspective. Basically, the entire crypto market has been making a strong comeback after last week's rough patch. Shiba Inu, in particular, has been through a roller coaster. Earlier this week, it saw one of its biggest sell-offs in a while, sending prices tumbling. But now, it's climbing again, sitting at a stronger level compared to yesterday. Getting here wasn't easy, though. At the start of the month, Shiba Inu was trading at a much higher level, even touching an impressive peak just a few days ago. But that climb didn't last. A massive wave of sell-offs across the crypto market sent prices crashing, dragging Shiba Inu down with it. Even with all that turbulence, Shiba Inu didn't stay down for long. It's now showing signs of strength, proving that buyers are still in the game. With the price climbing back up, the next challenge is holding this level. If Shiba Inu can stay steady and build on this momentum, it might just climb back up the rankings, reclaiming the spot it lost when the market took a hit. Right now, it's sitting lower on the list than it was before. But if this rally keeps up, that could change fast. But then you might ask, what's really going on? What's happening here? Well, to understand the bigger picture, we've got to check in on Bitcoin. And yep, it looks like Bitcoin has finally made a comeback, climbing back into the upper 90K range. That's a huge move, with its price jumping almost 10% in just a day. And as we all know, when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the market tends to follow. Now here's where things get even crazier. One analyst pointed out something really interesting. Shiba Inu might be gearing up for some wild gains this month. Looking at past trends, March has been a pretty eventful time for Shiba Inu. Right now, it's struggling a bit, sitting lower than it was yesterday and definitely in need of a strong push. And if history is anything to go by, this month might just deliver. Historically, March has been pretty favorable for Shiba Inu. On average, it's seen some impressive gains this time of year. But here's the catch. It hasn't always been smooth sailing. Some years, it's skyrocketed. Other years, it's barely moved or even dipped. That unpredictability makes it tough to say for sure what's next. But one thing is clear. When Shiba Inu moves, it moves big. Just last year, March saw one of its biggest surges ever. But in the years before that, It had a mix of ups and downs. With Shiba Inu's wild nature, anything can happen. A massive rally? A slower climb? Maybe even another dip before a big breakout? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing's certain. This month is shaping up to be an exciting ride, and investors are watching closely to see what comes next. Where is Shytoshi Kusama? Seriously, where did he go? No posts, no updates, not even a single tweet. It's like he vanished into thin air. Usually, even when things are quiet, there's at least a hint of activity, maybe a cryptic message, a teaser, or some kind of engagement. But this time, nothing. Complete radio silence. And now, people are starting to panic. The community is scrambling for answers. Some are worried. Did he just disappear? Did he step away from Shiba Inu? Is he mad about something? Others are more optimistic, thinking maybe he's cooking up something huge behind the scenes. Something so big that he needs complete focus to pull it off. But without any real clues, everything right now is just pure speculation. And of course, the rumors are already spreading like wildfire. Some believe he's working on the next big Shiba Inu development in secret. Maybe a major partnership? A game-changing announcement? Others think he's just taking a break, watching how things unfold before making his next move. But then there's the group that's genuinely concerned. What if something is wrong? What if this silence means trouble? It's gotten to the point where even analysts are speaking up. One of them took to Twitter, calling him out directly. Shytoshi Kusama, we need a State of the Union address from you. Where is Shy? And honestly, that's the question on everyone's mind. People want answers. They want reassurance. They want to know that everything is still on track. Because here's the thing. Shytoshi has always been a central figure in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. His words hold weight. His updates drive excitement. When he speaks, the community listens. But when he disappears like this, it creates uncertainty. And in a space as fast-moving as crypto, uncertainty is never a good thing. So now, everyone's just waiting, refreshing their feeds, looking for any small sign that he's still there, still watching, still working. Because whether this silence means something major is coming, or if it's something else entirely, one thing is clear. The Shiba Inu community needs to hear from him soon. But here's the thing. Just when the community started spiraling into confusion, one Shiba Inu analyst stepped in and shed some light on the situation. He pointed out something that a lot of people might not have considered. Doesn't it feel like everyone is just sitting around, waiting for Shiba Inu to drop some massive news? Like the entire community is holding its breath, expecting some big reveal? But here's the truth. Shiba Inu isn't just another token. It's not just about price pumps or market moves. It's something bigger. It's a full-on experiment in community strength, in decentralization, in proving that a project can thrive without relying on a single leader. Because according to him, one day, Shytoshi Kusama won't be around. One day, the project will fully belong to the community. And when that happens, what's next? That's not up to one person. It's up to everyone. The Shiba Inu army, the Treat army, this is the moment to step up, to build, to unite. The future of Shiba Inu isn't just about waiting for announcements, it's about making things happen. And that's the real message here. The power isn't in one person's hands. It's in the hands of the people who believe in Shiba Inu. And the time to shape what comes next? It's not tomorrow. It's right now. So with all of this in mind, it's pretty clear. Shiba Inu is setting up for a brighter future. The ups and downs, the silence, the speculation, it's all part of the bigger picture. And if there's one thing to take away from everything happening right now, it's that patience is key. Even Lucy, a well-known figure in the Shiba Inu community, chimed in with a perspective that makes a lot of sense. She pointed out that a market crash isn't the time to chase announcements. When the market's down, even the biggest news can get drowned out by all the negativity. Timing matters. And sometimes, waiting for the right moment is better than forcing an update just for the sake of it. That's the thing. Shiba Inu isn't just about quick hype. It's about long-term growth, about being able to navigate the chaos and come out stronger. Right now, it might feel like there are more questions than answers, but if history has shown anything, it's that Shiba Inu always finds a way to surprise people. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money. So, don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.